H1 plus C1 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस जी Z1 प्लस Q इज इक्वल टू H2 C2 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 जी Z2 प्लस W। इसी को ये कट जाएगा, ये ख़त्म, ये ख़त्म, 1 2, तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, ये बच जाएगा, यानी W इज इक्वल टू H2 माइनस H1। W इनपुट यानी कांस्टेंट प्रेशर हीट रिजेक्शन कंडेंसर। H2 C2 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 जी Z2 प्लस Q H3 प्लस C3 का स्क्वायर बाई 2 प्लस जी Z2 प्लस W। जी Z2 तो ये कट जाएगा, फिर ये, उसके बाद ये Q रिजेक्शन जो H3 H2 माइनस H3। आइसेंट्रोपिक एक्सपेंशन, थ्रोटलिंग, एब्जॉर्प्शन, इवेपोरेटर। COP RE बाई W इंटरनल। Volumetric efficiency of reciprocating compressor and volume is equal to VOCT by VS। इसी को V1 माइनस V4 डिवाइडेड बाई V1 माइनस V3 हो जाएगा। Reason for the throttling instead of isentropic expansion in VC cycle. If the isentropic expansion is used instead of throttling, there is some work output during the expansion. It is liquid refrigerator that expands as the specific volume liquid is very small and the expansion work is small. There is the cost of expander doesn't justify uses. Therefore, the throttling is used in VC cycle instead of isentropic expansion. इसी को ये भी और रो का ग्राफ में न्यू तो हो जाएगा V1 माइनस V4 V1 माइनस V3। इसी को न्यू में यही लिख सकते हैं। VACT react by VS inlet m dot mass flow rate of rejection m dot V1 by m dot V1 pi by 4d square L n multiply 60k ना रखा था। Designation of saturated rejection. If the chemical formula of the refrigerant CN, then such a refrigerant is designated N plus P plus Q is equal to 2M plus 2. Four equal to 4. To write the chemical formula of R11, R11 0, R1 and plus P R22 0, R n plus P 2m plus 2 equal to 1. C1 H1 F2Cl CHF2Cl. Understand hydraulic refrigeration. If the chemical formula of the refrigerant is known, then such the reaction of A and B2 C2H4 M2 and 4 rho equal to 0 Q equal to 0. ये फिर 4 mixture agentropous. Mixture of refrigerants is known as their degenerant. No. Use of flush chamber in VC cycle. The refrigerant enters at the evaporator at the point state of refrigerant. If the liquid refrigerant absorbs for this separates vapor refrigerant from the liquid by doing the size of evaporator can be reduced thermodynamically. There is no change when the flush chamber is used, that is COP are the same. Advantage of dry compression over wet compression. Wet compression incomplete vaporization of hence the loss of damage the compression valve. The liquid refrigerant may wash away the oil and the may be compression नंगा और कुछ नहीं। Recent the ends that were the thickness, therefore the glow must from the present suitable are the hydrofluorocarbons